Hi beautiful people, welcome back again to the channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. So I thought to share this delicious wrap recipe infused with delicious salad vegetables with you guys. So let's get straight into today's video. So these are the ingredients, the base ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. We have chicken, we have carrot and white potato. So I'm just going to go ahead and prep all my vegetables. Yes, to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. We clocked 200 subscribers today. I'm so super thankful to all of you. And if you're new to my channel, you're very welcome to this channel. Please don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel if you love what you see. So guys, yeah, I'm simply prepping all the vegetables, carrots, chopping it in tiny pieces. So guys, this recipe was so delicious. Honestly, my kids keep asking for more. So I'm here, I'm cutting the potato in tiny chunks. Okay, you're welcome to cut it in whatever size that you prefer, but for me, I prefer to cut it in smaller sizes like so. So we are done with slicing the potato and carrot. So we're going to go ahead and do the same to the chicken. So I'm just slicing the chicken in tiny sizes like so. So now that is done, we're going to go ahead and start cooking. So in a hot pan, add your oil, and you can use any oil of your choice. So after it's heated, I'll add my onion, and next will be to add the chicken, and then we'll season this with our spices. When it comes to spice, you can use any spice of your choice, but these are my favorite spices. Here we have oregano. I love this spice so much. It gives food so much flavor. Here we have parsley. Probably one day I'm going to share with you guys all the spices I normally use. Of course, most of you know, I've just added basil. And here we have hot curry. And here we have all-purpose seasoning. Here we have chicken seasoning. Here we have salt. So here we also have Maggi. No, I'm just going to add one. Yeah. And save this one for later for another dish. So that is done. I'm just going to give this a quick stir properly. Yeah, I forgot to add thyme, so I'm just adding thyme now. Yeah, thyme is a very good spice to use for your chicken dish, any meat dish. Yes, it's very flavorful. Yeah. So after stirring this, I'm just going to cover it and allow it to cook for some few minutes and then come back and stir again. Yeah. So now it's cooked for like about, I'll say 5 minutes. I don't want my chicken to overcook. You know, it's chicken breast, so it cooks so easily. So that is done. I'm just going to go ahead and add the vegetable, mix everything together, add water, and then cover to cook for like 10 minutes or so, and that will be done. Here we have our sweet gem lettuce. I'm going to be using that for my salad. So I'm just basically preparing the carrots, the two carrots, and later on I will slice the lettuce. So our carrot is done here, nicely grated. So here I'm just slicing the vegetable. So this is the first batch of the vegetable. I'm gonna go ahead and do the second batch like so. So that is done now, nicely sliced. So I'm adding this to the bowl now, and followed with carrots. So here I have mayonnaise. I'm gonna add mayonnaise. I was supposed to have added my cucumber, but I forgot. Later on, you see, after mixing the first, the carrots and lettuce. So here we are right now. I should have added this before mixing everything together, but I totally forgot. But it's good I remembered. So here I just peeled the back of the cucumber and I'm slicing it like so. So after that, I'm gonna go ahead and add it to the salad also. Yeah, it's properly sliced up and I'm gonna go ahead and add it and then mix everything together and our salad is done. Yeah. So my beautiful people, I know and I'm sure that you're enjoying this video so far. I have no doubt on my mind, okay? If you are, you know what to do. Like this video, leave a comment in the comment section for me. Tell me what you think about this recipe, okay? And if you have not subscribed up to now, please, it is time to hit that subscribe button. So guys, yeah, here we have the wrap, okay? The main. I think it's about 8 pieces in one bag, and we have 2 of the bags here. Guys, potato slash carrots chicken is done, okay? It is done. I'm just, stirring it together, and then mashing it a little bit. I wanted it to be a little bit mushy, okay? So it is time for us to finalize and break everything together. Here, I've just, placed the wrap in a plate. So I'm adding the vegetables, the salad, just add everything that we've been working on together, okay? Just add everything and then wrap it properly like so. Okay, I'm not the best when it comes to wrapping, but just do your thing however it works out. Yeah, as far as it's not open, you've tried. So I'm doing the second one here. Just the first thing is just to add the mayonnaise, add the potato, carrot, chicken, okay, and then followed by the vegetable, and then you wrap it properly. So guys, that's it for me today. I hope you've enjoyed. You enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making this video. Okay, I know it's not easy filming, when you're cooking, but it is all what it. That's why we are here, to inspire you, to inspire you to make different dish for your family. Okay, make it fun rather than hard work. Okay, when you see cooking as a job or as hard work, it becomes a hassle. So just take it as fun thing to do and it to become fun for you. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video up to now. If you did watch up to now, you deserve a clap. You deserve a clap. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed. Share my videos, guys. If you have a YouTube channel or a platform, please do share my videos, okay? You got nothing to lose. Thank you so much. And guys, that's it for me today. Stay blessed wherever you are. Know that Jesus loves you and keep walking by faith. Guys, isn't that looking delicious? Oh my goodness. It is looking fabulous. Thank you guys so much, and I'm going to see you in my next one.